demonstration on a 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. This is the 3-inch baby bodysuit, also known as a onesie, but they have it listed on their shop as a baby bodysuit, and this is the 3-inch one. It consists of a bottom plate, an outer shell, and a top plunger. The top plunger has a design on it. So we're going to start by taking our outer shell and placing it on top of the bottom plate, and then we're just going to start filling and giving it shakes in between to ensure that the bath bomb mix gets into all the cracks and crevices. All right, we're going to take our top plunger and we're going to turn it face down with the design on top of our mold, and we're going to start giving it some pushes. And every time we give a push, we're going to give it a turn to ensure uniformity while we're molding. All right, give some gentle taps along the outside shell to loosen up any of the bath bomb mix that got in between our plates, and also to release some of the suction that was created while we were pressing. All right, give some taps on the top plunger. Turn it upside down. You normally don't need to do any taps on the bottom plate. If you'd like to, you could just gently do that around the outside ridge. We're going to lift straight up with our bottom plate. Fingers underneath and thumbs on the top, and we're going to be pushing up on the plunger with our fingers. Grab your piece of cardboard, and we're going to place that on the top, and we're going to turn the whole thing over. And now we're going to lift straight up with our plunger. Go slow so that we can ensure that those details come out. And there you have a very cute little baby bodysuit or a onesie. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link down below to the Maker Shop's website as well as their Etsy shop so that you can purchase this or any other mold that you choose from them. Thanks for watching.